Alright guys, good luck tonight. Museum Baseball. Good luck. You want to go? Box number 1. Starting off, Dodgers and Jackie Robinson. Got Hanley Ramirez for the Red Sox. Got Yanks, Mark Teixeira. Got 199, Jeff Bagwell, Houston Astros. And your first relic is a nice dual patches. You got a 4-colored and a 3-colored. Numbered at 299 at Tampa's Chris Archer. Chris Archer, 299. Cubbies, Jorge Soler. Rockies, Troy Tulowitzki. Canvas, Mike Piazza for the Mets. Mike Piazza for the Mets. Got a Jose Bautista, the Blue Jays. Got quads, a bat, 2 base jerseys, and a 2-colored patch. You got Texas Rangers, Prince Fielder, Sin Chu Chu, Yu Darvish, Michael Choice, numbered to 99 for the Rangers. Prince Fielder, Sin Chu Chu, Yu Darvish, and Michael Choice for the Rangers. There's your framed. It's a redemption. Pujols, Angels. Got Sin Chu Chu, the Rangers. Got Mike Schmidt, Phillies. Got Jacob deGrom, the Mets. And your framed. It is a silver Marlins. Mike Stanton. Mike Stanton, silver framed auto for the Marlins. Stanton. A good hit for the Marlins. Royals, Brandon Finnegan. Brandon Belt for the Giants. Dodgers, Clayton Kershaw. Got Giants, Madison Bumgarner. And a jersey card, numbered to 50. Boston's Xander Bogaerts. Box 2. Box 2. Box number 2. Cubbies, Ernie Banks. Got Phil Niekro for the Braves. Got James Shields, the Royals. Number to 99, David Wright, Mets. Dual relics. Single colored top, single colored bottom. Number 275 for the Braves, Freddie Freeman. Freddie Freeman. Blue Jays, Jose Bautista. Jose Abreu, White Sox. Canvas, Warren Spawn, Braves. Got 199, Prince Fielder, Rangers. Quads, number 299. Quad jerseys, 99. Red Sox, Xander Bogaerts. Yanks, Lou Gehrig. Got David Ortiz, Red Sox. Got Jorge Soler, Cubbies. Got Moustakas for the Royals. On card, number 399. Pitcher for the Oakland Athletics, Sonny Gray. Sonny Gray for the A's. Your Jumbo Relic finishing box number 2. Dilson Herrera for the Mets. Got Molina, Cardinals. Texas, Adrian Beltre. Got Brandon Belt for the Giants. Jumbo jersey number 250 for the Atlanta Braves, Jason Hayward. Jason Hayward for the Braves. Finishing box 2. Box number 3. Box 3 tonight. Mets, Jacob deGrom. Ian Kinsler, Tigers. Got Jason Hayward, Cardinals. Got 199, Mike Piazza for the Mets. Tell you what, I think this whole case has been Braves. Got a bunch of Braves the other night. Got a bunch of Braves tonight. Dual relic auto. Number 2, 299, Andrelton Simmons. Andrelton Simmons for Braves. Brewers, Ryan Braun. Got Nat, Steven Strasburg. Got Warren Spawn, Braves. Got Blue Jays /99, Daniel Nars. Quad relics /99, 3 base jerseys and a 3 colored patch. Orioles, Manny Machado. Manny Machado. Does anyone else have video issues? Oh, that's nice. Got a Red Sox, Ted Williams. Thanks, sir. Mike Stanton, Marlins. Got a Sandy Koufax, Red Sox. Sandy Koufax for the Dodgers. Got a base, Cal Ripken, Orioles. So I think this guy should be in the Hall of Fame. Number /25. St. Louis Cardinals. Mark McGuire. Mark McGuire. Mark McGuire to 25, St. Louis Cardinals. Last pack, box number 3. You get for Felix Hernandez, Mariners. Red Sox, Dustin Pedroia. Got Fernando Rodney, Mariners. Andrew McCutcheons, Pirates. Pinstriped, numbered to 35. Pinstripe for the New York Mets. Mike Piazza. Mike Piazza for the Mets. Last box, Museum Baseball. Box number 4. Box 4, then we'll call it a night. Royals, Mike Moustakas. Dodgers, Jack Peterson. Giants, Buster Posey. Got Matt Adams, Cardinals. Dual Relic Auto. Base jerseys up top, base jerseys down below. Number to 109, Red Sox, Daniel Nava. Red Sox, Daniel Nava. Got Blue Jays, Daniel Norris. Got Jacoby Ellsbury for the Yanks. Got Seattle's Randy Johnson, Canvas. Got Brandon Fittian, Royals. Quad Relics, number 25. 3 colored patches all around. 3 colored all around. White Sox, Paul Konerko. Paul Konerko for the White Sox. Seattle, Robinson Cano. Anthony Rizzo for the Cubs. Gregory Polanco for the Pirates. 199, Sandy Koufax, Dodgers. On-card auto to 399. Minnesota Twins, Kenny's Vargas. Kenny's Vargas for Twins. And last pack should have your Jumbo Relic in it. Mets, Tom Seaver. Got Yu Darvish for the Rangers. Francisco Liriano, Pirates. 99, Ryan Howard, Phillies. Jumbo jersey, number to 50. Jumbo jersey, Boston Red Sox, number to 50, Koji Yahara. Koji Yahara. For the Red Sox, finishing Museum Baseball tonight, guys. So that's going to do it. I'll hop off. We'll get this stuff on YouTube, and then we'll see you guys on Sunday. Sunday we got some more Sterling Baseball, Contenders Draft Football, and we'll do the last of our SPX Basketball. So that's going to do it tonight, and then we will see you on Sunday.